Three interesting facts about sooty tern bird taxonomy. The sooty tern, scientifically known as Onychoprion fuscatus, is a species of seabird belonging to the tern family, Sternidae. Distribution. These terns are found in tropical and subtropical regions, often nesting on islands or coastal areas. They are known for their long migrations, covering vast distances during their annual journeys.
Appearance. Sooty terns typically have a distinctive black cap on their heads, contrasting with a white body. They have slender bodies and long pointed wings, well adapted for their aerial foraging and fishing behaviors.